Are you looking for acreage near McKinney and Celina, Texas? This custom home in Weston might just check every box. Sitting on a full acre in a standout community and zoned to McKinney ISD, it's the kind of place that makes you rethink what home can be. Inside, there's a snack closet that's next level, a laundry room you'll actually want to use, and a primary closet and bath that feel more resort than residential. Let's take a closer look.
I love this curb appeal, Patrice.
Oh, it is really, really nice, and I love these doors.
No, the doors are great. This whole house is great.
Yeah, look at right out into your big old backyard. That is beautiful. I love that.
This is why we like looking at houses on acreage.
Yeah, I mean, some of these custom builders are phenomenal. Look at the lighting in there. That is just a nice touch. This huge entryway is great.
It's big and wide, which is really cool.
Yeah.
But what I like is just the details. You come on in through here and nothing special, right? We see it all the time. On the right-hand side is your office. But look at, they've got these built-ins already. Your desk everything lined up. All this storage, just ready for you to get your work done. Oh, this is kind of weird.
Yeah, you couldn't put a computer right there.
Yeah. You know, but it has
You have like a little bit of space. Let me show everybody. That's funny. But yeah, they do have a space right there for a desk.
So I don't know, but regardless, that is cool. I wish they would have just built that whole thing out. But you've got the beams, you've got this cool ceiling fan, you've got this bowed out window.
I love the bowed window. That's
just beautiful. A really good size office. It's very practical.
And which you're going to see all throughout the house, these really nice
baseboards?
Baseboards.
That's what I was just going to say out here.
That's funny, yeah. I mean, this office is really, really just a great office. It feels so good in here.
Yeah, you've got these 6-inch baseboards all throughout, and then you come through. Look at this grand entrance. This grand, great, I should say.
And look at that fireplace. You don't see brick fireplaces much anymore.
This is what I love about it, Patrice. It's timeless.
Look at the size of that mantle. It is so wide.
You can get long stops.
Oh my gosh. You could have 12 kids and still have enough space right there.
Yeah, it's really, it is nice.
Here's the brick. That way everybody can kind of see. And then, yeah, these built-ins are really nice on both sides.
Look at the beams coming out, and this chandelier is probably like 5 or 6 feet wide. You got waterfall island. You got cabinetry underneath.
I love that color of cabinetry. It is so pretty. Let me see if I could get it. Yeah, it's really nice. And it actually pretty much blends in with the floor.
Yeah, and it comes right up to the hood. You've got a 5-burner cooktop, which is kind of interesting. It's kind of like an L shape. You've got the built-in dishwasher, which is really cool. That blends right on in. You've got your trash right here as well. Double ovens, all Wi-Fi Wolf appliances. I love when they do have the pot filler. I don't know how practical it is. One thing that I will say about pot fillers in North Texas, the way that we are insulated for the heat, not the cold. So this is an interior wall, perfect. If your kitchen is on an exterior wall and you have one of these, they had troubles when we had that deep freeze. It's once a decade kind of thing, but still. Fridge space, just look at this, take that in.
That room is really, really big. You could put a huge sectional couch in there.
So I love this patio, and you're gonna get out there, you bet your bottom booty after getting out of there, because I absolutely am in love with that. But
can I point something out that I really like? See these windows on either side? They actually open, which is nice. So you can just open those up and get some airflow through here, which you don't see very often.
Now my beef, I wish that these were black.
Oh, instead of the white. They are black on the outside, so.
I just wish that they were black on the inside. Dining space, you could definitely put in 8-person dining right here very easily. Bow window overlooking your outdoor kitchen.
Yeah, look at all the crown molding. Like we said, that crown molding's coming back.
Now, look at this.
Oh, nice little bar area.
With a nice fridge. So you can have all your wine right here, right off of your dining. This is nice. Now this is a 1.5 story. So for those that aren't familiar with 1.5 stories and what we mean by that, it just means that upstairs, your main primary living space is going to be downstairs. Upstairs in this particular house has 2 bedrooms as well as kind of an open game area. So that's perfect for like guests, like if you had families that come over, or maybe you have a couple of kids that are grown up and you got all the grandkids. I could picture Christmas all up there and all the grandkids are monopolizing upstairs and you've got all the parents downstairs.
Well, I think that having a game room upstairs is amazing because you're not going to hear anybody up there. I think that's a great idea.
Yeah. I mean, it's just an open space, so who knows, you can make it, it's very flexible.
Mm-hmm.
And then you've got this is where all your guests are going to be. You got a nice shower.
What a beautiful guest bath.
Very, very nice and well appointed.
That is very nice.
You've got nice built-in, I mean, this is what you get where you see the difference with custom, is everything's kind of already decked out for you. It's just ready to move in.
Yeah, that's nice to have the drawers in there. I love that. And these fans they put in here are huge. You're gonna get some good breeze going on in
You're
here.
gonna get some airflow. Put down on those AC units, right?
Oh, that's a definite plus.
Oh, look at, what do you think's in here?
Garage.
Yeah, but check out this garage. So this is a 4-car garage, okay? But look at it, it's walled off. You've got built-ins right here.
Oh my gosh, those built-ins look like cabinets from the kitchen. That's beautiful.
They carried it all the way through. So you've got 2-car right here. You can get in 2 ways on this house, on this garage. And then you've got another 2-car garage over here. Wow. So for all you car lovers that love, you know, you got your weekend vehicle, you got your convertible, whatever it is, right here is perfect.
They've done the baseboards and they've textured the walls. I mean, beautiful, beautiful. All these doors are solid.
Yeah, even the garage doors are solid wood. They're 3-4 inches thick. Now we're on the other side of the house.
You've got this nice mud area. That's really pretty.
Now right here is the kitchen. So we're just off of it. We just made a loop.
This is a pantry.
This is a snack closet.
Look at the drawers. I love the drawers.
Fridge? Are you kidding me? You've got all this. So this is where you put all your appliances, your air fryer, your coffee machine, all that toaster, all that. Stacked all this. This is definitely Costco.
I love these drawers. This is cool.
Yeah.
Put all your snacks in.
Now you've got another secondary bedroom with its own ensuite on the front of the house.
You know what's so nice about all these bathrooms too, we point out every time? They took the tile all the way up to the top.
You know what I like is just all the hardware and stuff. Come here, you can see the closet. This is, again, they took the baseboards all the way down.
That's beautiful. Whoops.
I mean, in the closet.
Yeah. The other thing that's nice is it has the automatic lights in here. So when you close it, they go off. And when you open it, they go on. I love that.
It's nice for home tours, I'll tell you that. Right here, you've got another secondary bath, guest bath.
That's nice. This one has the tub in it. That's actually a really pretty tub.
All right, so here's that secondary bedroom again. You got your walk-in closet kind of deal, nice size. That bathroom off of this is what they're gonna utilize. Before we go into the owner's suite side of the house, let's go check out that upstairs.
Oh, let's do it.
All right, so now we're upstairs. Now, if you're keeping count, this is a 6-bedroom house. You've got 4 downstairs and 2 upstairs. Now, this is that game area that I was referring to. It's got your beams. They didn't, this isn't like some unfinished space up here.
Look at this. I love this by the window. And then it's got all the storage under here so you can store games or whatever. I love that.
Big blankets or whatnot. You got 2 bedrooms up here. They share this bathroom.
How fun.
And they're just normal, kind of regular rooms.
Oh, this one's got a unique shape to it too.
Just not walk in, just your regular standard kind of closet. But perfect for guests or whatnot. And you've got an equal one over here. Actually, this is much bigger. Maybe mom and dad are up here with the guests, and then the kids are over there. I don't know. You guys decide. What would you do with this? You know what's weird though, Patrice? Is the windows.
Yeah, you just have one little window way up there.
Way up here, so it's not. It's almost like this could be a game room or a media room. Alright, so let's go into the primary. You've got a guest outer bath right here. Now, what's nice is that it's got a door to the patio, which in return could be a great pool bath, or whatnot.
Yes, this is a gorgeous bathroom. I love that tile. That's really neat.
Well,
and the wainscoting?
It's continued. Look at this primary.
This is a nice little closet. I don't know if it's really a linen closet, but it's a closet. And then let's go into the primary. Sorry, I detoured.
Hey, it is what it is.
Look at that. I love that they did that. The lights up there.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. That fan is going to give you so much air.
So much air. You've got wainscoting all the way up.
Oh, this is beautiful. Let me go close so they can see. There it is.
And then look at this. This is like a cool sitting there.
I love the color of the wood on that. That is so pretty. Let's see if you can see it. That's nice.
Overlooking your big acre lot.
If you have a pool out there, it'd be so nice to look at. All your plants and trees and...
What could dream. All right. Cross is a barn door. It's cool looking. I like the look of that. And then you come through. You've got a standalone soaking tub and a huge shower.
This is very pretty.
Okay, I really haven't, there's not much you can nitpick about this house, right? I mean, you come through, look at all the details. This goes all the way through. This isn't, this is all marble, right? And then look at the niche is all hidden down here. You do have your bench.
This is very nice. You got the wand,
you got two shower heads.
Goodness, this is amazing. Yeah, the past few houses we've done have been top notch by these builders.
This may be my favorite.
Yeah, well, it definitely.
I say that a lot though. But then you've got his and hers split vanities, which I love.
Which you love.
Right? You got her side right here. Now it's got this drill hole. What's that for, Patrice? Are you plugging in like your...
Yeah, that would be my guess. You could throw your hair dryer, your curling iron, your flat iron, whatever right there. I like that. You know what else is nice, which you don't see very often, is they've put all this cabinetry in the water closet area. So you've got so much space to put towels or whatever. I mean, it is beautiful.
Thought of everything. Then you got a pocket door. You know how I feel about pocket doors.
You love pocket doors. That thing's solid, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Everything in this house is solid.
And then they brought that flooring back in here that I love.
Right into the closet.
The closet.
Right? Look at all of the shelving.
Oh my
and
goodness.
You got your mirror here to check yourself out before you go.
Which is a must-have.
You've got backsplash.
Wow, they did do a backsplash.
I mean, everything, and it continues all the way down here.
I like the hooks right here.
Stuff is over here.
All right, let me come around. Wow, this is beautiful. This is really, really, I mean, to see this in person is definitely amazing. It is a showstopper. And you know what else, which we say this a lot, like we said, we've seen some amazing homes. This one feels very homey, like I could completely move in and be comfortable and live here with no problem.
Yeah. What would you do? Like, would you hang bags here? Or?
Oh yeah, it'd be great for purses or robes, any number of things.
Another pocket door.
Another pocket door.
It goes right
into the, oh my gosh.
Huge laundry area. Come on.
I could do laundry in here and not be unhappy.
They've got a sink.
Wow.
The only thing that they don't have is like a shower for your
dog.
For your dog.
Well, we rarely see those.
No, I know, but I'm just saying, if they did have that, that would be like, they thought of.
Holy moly, I love this. I really love this.
Yeah, this thing is just under 4,600 square feet. But again, one of my favorite things is that patio. Let's go check that out right now.
Okay.
This slides all the way out if you want to do that. But look at this.
Wow, look at that. They've carried the beams out here too. That is so pretty.
They have speakers out here. Has a fireplace out here. Set up for your TV out here.
That's so nice. Oh my gosh. Then they've got the door there to go to the bathroom. You don't have to traipse any water or anything through the house. And then over here, they've got a little space where you can store things like your pool equipment, all that. Yeah, that's nice.
Right, and then you come over here and you've got your outdoor kitchen, got your fridge. It's not completed.
Look at how
This
nice
is your
that
gas
is.
burner. They're gonna finish this top with a countertop. Look at this backyard.
And then you got this. And look at how nice that is. You only have to bring the fence from there to there. All the other fences all the way around are done.
But
So
look at take a look at the neighborhood. I mean, the neighborhood is filled with custom built.
yeah, and it's kind of dreary out today because we got rain coming in, but it is beautiful.
So for those that aren't familiar with Weston, Weston is just a little pocket community really in between McKinney and Celina. So this feeds into McKinney ISD. So you're not lacking for anything. You've got top schools, Acre, and a great custom built community that's new, right? One of the things that, these custom communities on acreage sometimes take years to develop. This was relatively quick. I mean, you do have just these, it really took off. So you've got most of the houses are built in post 2020. If this is of interest to you, this thing is ready to go. It just got completed. Pretty much it's 99% there. Like I said, just a couple of things like the countertop and that sort of thing. If that is of interest to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell so you're alerted every time we do a video, as well as reach out to us, hit that dream home form, and we would love to show you this in person. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.